Are you tired of the same old money struggles? Do you feel like you're constantly playing catch-up? This isn't about luck. It's about understanding the unspoken rules of wealth. Discover the hidden strategies that separate the financially secure from the struggling. Learn the specific financial habits that are holding you back. This knowledge isn't just helpful, it's essential in today's economy. Unlock the secrets to building lasting wealth and achieve financial freedom. Get ready to transform your financial future. Financial struggles are surprisingly common, impacting countless individuals. It's not about inherent worth, it's about understanding the nuances of financial success. Many get caught in cycles of debt and limited opportunities. This isn't about blaming anyone, it's about recognizing patterns and developing the right strategies. Understanding fundamental financial principles is crucial. From budgeting to investing, these skills are essential tools for building lasting wealth. Building a solid financial foundation is the first step towards a secure future. Learn the core concepts to navigate the complexities of personal finance. Unlock your financial potential. Subscribe now and join the discussion. Your feedback and comments are invaluable. Let's learn together and build a stronger financial future. Share this with someone who needs to hear this. A key to financial success is understanding the power of long-term planning. Imagine saving a small amount each month. Over time, that small sum grows significantly. This principle is called compounding. It's not just about saving, it's about understanding how your money can work for you. If you're serious about achieving financial freedom and want to discover the steps to financial freedom, start now and transform your mindset with the Modern Millionaires. Link in the pinned comment, and be sure to watch until the end of this video for actionable tips and strategies. Another critical element is budgeting. Tracking your income and expenses helps you understand where your money goes. Create a simple spreadsheet or use budgeting apps. Identify areas where you can cut unnecessary spending and redirect those funds toward savings or investments. Debt management is often a major hurdle. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control. Develop a plan to pay down debt strategically, focusing on the highest interest debts first. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfers to lower your interest burden. Investing is essential for long-term wealth building. Start small with investments appropriate for your risk tolerance. Don't be afraid to research different options like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. Seek professional advice if needed. Building financial security requires discipline and consistency. Set realistic goals and create a plan to achieve them. Review your progress regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Learn from them and keep moving forward. Understanding these concepts empowers you to take control of your financial future. Avoid impulsive spending and prioritize saving and investing. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and watch your financial well-being grow. Imagine a sudden job loss or a major unexpected expense. Do you have a safety net, a financial cushion to weather the storm? Many people find themselves unprepared for such events, caught in a cycle of debt and worry. This is a critical turning point. It's not just about accumulating wealth. It's about building resilience and preparedness. Understanding how to manage money effectively is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. A lack of financial literacy can lead to significant setbacks and create lasting challenges. The time to learn these crucial financial strategies is now. Ignoring these principles can lead to missed opportunities and a future filled with financial stress. Proactive planning is essential to avoid these pitfalls. The consequences of financial unpreparedness can be severe. This is not about theoretical concepts. It's about real-life situations and the ability to navigate them confidently. One crucial concept is the power of delayed gratification. Resisting the urge to spend impulsively and focusing on long-term goals is key. Think of saving for a down payment on a house. While the immediate reward of buying something now is tempting, the long-term financial benefits of saving are much greater. Understanding your spending habits is equally important. Track your expenses for a month. Analyze where your money is going. Are you spending more on entertainment than on necessities? Identifying these patterns allows you to make informed decisions about your spending. Building an emergency fund is a cornerstone of financial security. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a readily accessible savings account. This cushion protects you from unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. Budgeting is more than just tracking expenses. It's about prioritizing needs over wants. Allocate funds for essential expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Then, consider discretionary spending, like entertainment or dining out. Prioritizing needs ensures you're meeting your basic obligations before indulging in extras. Finally, the concept of diversification is crucial for investment success. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across various assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate to mitigate risk. This strategy can help you weather market fluctuations and maximize returns over time. Understanding these foundational concepts is the first step toward building a solid financial future. A common challenge is impulsive spending. To overcome this, create a spending plan and stick to it. Use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet to track your expenses. Set clear limits for yourself on non-essential purchases. Another obstacle is procrastination when it comes to saving. Schedule regular savings deposits, even small ones, to build momentum. Set reminders on your phone or calendar to ensure you consistently contribute. Building an emergency fund can feel daunting. Start with small amounts and gradually increase the contributions over time. Even $25 a week adds up quickly. Diversifying your investments might seem complicated. Begin with low-cost index funds or ETFs. These provide broad market exposure without requiring in-depth research. Dealing with debt can be overwhelming. Prioritize high-interest debts. Create a debt repayment plan, even if it's small, and stick to it. Consider debt consolidation options to lower your interest rate. These strategies are practical steps to address these common obstacles. Understanding the psychology of money is crucial. Recognize that your emotions often influence financial decisions. For example, fear of missing out, FOMO, can lead to unnecessary spending. Practice mindfulness and consider the long-term implications of your choices. Negotiation skills are often overlooked in financial matters. Learn to negotiate prices for goods and services, especially when making large purchases. Researching prices and comparing options can save you significant money. Building a strong credit score is vital for securing loans and credit cards at favorable rates. Paying bills on time and keeping your credit utilization low are key factors. A good credit score can unlock opportunities and save you money in the long run. Consider the impact of taxes on your finances. Understanding tax deductions and credits can significantly reduce your tax burden. Seek professional advice, if needed, to maximize your tax advantages. Take a look at successful entrepreneurs. They often have a unique approach to money management, combining frugality with calculated risk-taking. Studying their strategies can provide valuable insights into building wealth. These advanced strategies can significantly impact your financial journey. Studies show that a lack of financial literacy is a significant factor in poverty. Individuals without a strong understanding of budgeting, saving, and investing often struggle to achieve financial stability. This highlights the importance of acquiring these skills. Financial experts consistently emphasize the power of compound interest. Small, Consistent investments, even over a short period, can yield substantial returns. This underscores the value of starting early and consistently contributing to your financial goals. Consider the case of someone who inherited a significant sum but lacked financial knowledge. Without a plan, the inheritance was quickly depleted. This demonstrates the crucial role of financial literacy in managing unexpected wealth. Research consistently shows a strong correlation between financial literacy and improved economic well-being. Individuals with a solid understanding of personal finance are more likely to achieve their financial goals and build lasting wealth. Data from various financial institutions reveals that individuals with higher levels of financial literacy tend to have lower debt levels and greater savings. This emphasizes the positive impact of financial knowledge on overall financial health. These examples underscore the real-world implications of understanding financial principles. It's not just about theoretical knowledge. It's about transforming your financial reality. A common question is, where do I even start? The answer is simple. Start small. Create a basic budget. Track your spending, and identify areas where you can cut back. Even $20 a week saved consistently makes a difference over time. Another concern is the fear of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes with money. The key is to learn from them and adjust your strategy. Financial literacy isn't about perfection. It's about continuous improvement. Some people worry about investing. It's okay to start with low-risk options like savings accounts or certificates of deposit. Gradually, as you gain confidence and knowledge, you can explore more complex investments. A common misconception is that you need a lot of money to invest. The truth is, even small amounts can grow over time with smart strategies. Think of it like planting a seed. It might be small, but it can grow into a large tree. Experts often say that consistent effort is more important than large sums of money. Saving regularly and making smart investments over time is the key to long-term financial success. These insights should dispel any remaining doubts. The path to financial freedom isn't complicated. It's about understanding the basics and consistently applying practical strategies. Start today and watch your financial future flourish. We've explored the critical gap in financial understanding that often separates those who struggle from those who thrive. The key takeaways? Delayed gratification, mindful spending, and consistent saving are foundational. Building an emergency fund, managing debt effectively, and diversifying investments are essential strategies. Now, what's the next step? Take action. Create a simple budget. Track your spending, and identify areas for improvement. Start small with savings. Even $10 a week adds up. Research low-cost investment options. Don't be afraid to ask for help if needed. By applying these insights, you're not just building wealth, you're building financial resilience and security. Imagine a future free from financial worry. This is within reach. Take control of your financial destiny today. Share this with a friend who could use this knowledge. Let's build a community of empowered individuals. Ultimately, financial success isn't about luck. It's about understanding the principles and consistently applying them. It's about recognizing the power of small, consistent actions. Think of it like planting a seed. It takes time, care, and patience, but the results are worth it. Remember, financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the process of continuous learning. Explore different investment strategies, learn about tax implications, and stay informed about financial trends. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from financial advisors or join online communities for support. Learning from others' experiences can accelerate your progress. The knowledge you've gained today is a powerful tool. Use it to build a future filled with financial freedom and security. It's not just about money. It's about creating the life you truly desire. Embrace the journey and watch your financial well-being flourish. Share this message with someone who needs to hear it.